What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on HA5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Clover, which has hit a huge green candle. It is up just over 20% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at over the 6 cents value. So we'll be going through what is next for Clover for the rest of the week, rest of January, February, March. What can we expect? Again, with the pump right now, is there crypto to be investing into? Is it one to be selling if you're on a profit, or is it simply time to hold on to it? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. And side note, my trading guide is now out guys. You guys can access it using the link in the description box down below. So looking at Clover right now, it is slightly overvalued. We can see that because as you guys can see, it has gone over the Bollinger Band on the upper level here. Last time that did happen back in January, so early January, we can see here, not early January, about a week ago guys, it did correct itself and drop back down into the Bollinger Band, and that is essentially what I'm predicting. However, because it's only pumped up right now, I am predicting it to keep on heading upwards, hitting few more green candles over the next couple of hours, potentially heading up closer to 0.075 cents, maximum around 8 cents in value, before it slowly starts to drop back down in, well, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, dropping back below around, stabilizing around the 6 cents value is what my current predictions are at the moment. But again guys, it is performing very well right now. But just bear in mind, a price correction is likely to take place as it is trading way above the upper bound here. And also looking at the RSI at the bottom, we can see that it is currently at 44.05 and the purple one is at 63.47. Not necessarily overvalued, but getting very close to that target. So it should essentially just drop back down to around 55 to 60, meaning for that to take place, Clover has also need to step back down in value, going for a minimal price correction, and it should consolidate around the 6 cents value is what my current predictions are. So zooming into the hourly chart, we can see the pump literally just started about an hour or two ago, still ongoing, likely to hit a few more green candles before dropping back down in value. So if we bring out the MACD indicator on the hourly chart, we can see here that the MACD line, which is the blue line, is trading above the signal line, looking very bullish, very steep. However, as mentioned in my previous videos, when a MACD indicator looks this steep, it is not as realistic as it seems, because it's only basing it off the pump that's taken place in the last 2 hours, meaning it is not as realistic as it seems. So even though an overall pump is predicted over the coming hours, it is likely to be followed by red candles dropping back down within the Bollinger Band, as I showed you guys earlier on in the video. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart, similarly, the blue line, MACD line, is still trading quite bullish, looking quite steep, meaning once again it is not as realistic as it seems. So essentially towards the end of the week, early next week, so late Jan, early Feb, I am predicting Clover to have dropped back down around the 6 cents value, potentially just below 6 cents. So right now, increases in value are predicted before it slowly starts to drop back down in value. Heading below the 6 cents value is what my current predictions are. And zooming out to the daily chart, it is looking much more realistic. The blue line is not looking as steep as it was looking in the previous 2 charts. So over the coming weeks, over the next, well, let's say going into February, March and April, over the next 2.5 to 3 months, an overall increase in value is what is predicted from Clover. Potentially heading over the 10 cents target is what my current predictions are. Going into late Feb, early March, we should see Clover heading over 10 cents, potentially heading closer to 15 to 17 cents going into April, May and June guys. However, that is only if Bitcoin manages to pump up over $125,000 at the moment. My current predictions are Bitcoin to be heading over $120,000, but if there are any changes to that, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So if we get rid of the MACD indicator here, if we look at the daily chart, we can see the overall outcome since about late November has been more on the negative side. It hasn't really followed a similar pattern to the crypto market overall, because its overall outcome has been clearly negative. Major drops in value. Heading into the CoinMarketCap website, trading volume right now is up 84% at $33 million. Again, the reason for that is the major pump that's taken place we did see a bigger trading volume earlier on, about a week ago, over $200 million when the crypto was pumping like crazy, heading closer to around 8 to 9 cents in value. And over the month, the crypto has stabilized itself, as the percentage increase is just about 0.5%. And as you guys can see, there has, yes, it did dip, it did peak, but overall it has been more on the neutral side. Let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are predicting Clover to go in 2025, guys. A lot of people have been saying 50 cents, which unfortunately at the moment I'm going to have to disagree with, because it will require a major increase. But let me know your realistic price prediction. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the giveaway. And I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.